guys, welcome back to another video. I'm with Lucas and Nathan again. He's cooking on Rivals, so that's why he's not in the game yet. But today we're gonna be... Oh, there he is. He's over there, guys. He's over there. Today we're gonna be playing Amber Alert. You guys ready? Are you guys ready?
Yeah.
Lucas, are you ready?
Oh, guys, I forgot to say Happy Valentine's Day.
Hey guys, Happy Valentine's Day, everybody.
I hope you guys actually found, hopefully you guys found your Valentines.
Not us.
I did it.
Not
I
us.
did it.
We didn't, cause
Sure you
do we
okay.
even need to explain why we didn't?
I don't even have a Valentine, so.
All right, guys, come on. What are you guys doing? Lock in. Boom.
Not yet.
Why is it not letting us in?
Because it's probably bugged.
Should we go server hop?
Oh, 8 players. 8 players, guys.
Trust the process.
Look at this. Oh my.
Guys! All right, guys, we're going to have to go server hop. I'm joining back.
No, no, we're not in a different server. Hold on. I know. Leave and go in a different server. No, you don't need to.
Yeah, we do. It won't go in, see?
No, we just go into 8 player and no one will join because we have the have.
No, they will, bro. You don't understand. Sorry, Clay, you don't understand anything.
My server's working. Let's just do 4 players. Wait, my server's working.
Yeah, just do 4 players, guys.
Oh no, that's Nathan's server's working. Gotta get to 10 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6.
It does not go that fast, bro.
2. Well, I started at 10 and it was at 5.
No, it's not. What do you mean? It's not working.
Over here. Just go on player 4. Over here.
We're
Patrick.
doing Christmas.
Oh.
My God, bro. Just do 4 player, guys. Just go in 4 player.
4 player. And if someone joins, leave.
No one won't. Remember,
Let's get to the video.
yeah, we're single, guys, so no one wants us. No one wants us to. Yeah,
Nathan, why you run like that?
every Valentine it's like that. Make sure you box. Purchase phone. I can purchase a phone. Oh, I don't have money.
We're broke.
I'm more rich than you, little bro.
We both have 0.
Yeah, I know.
I?
I'm almost a billionaire though. I have all the zeros. I'm just missing the 1.
I found money.
But let me make sure my brightness is up. All right.
Nathan, how do you get over there? Literally go to the door. Oh.
Why am I
Nathan going.
tips? I like tips.
What?
This is my room.
Well, you're supposed to. We're supposed to stick together, not die.
No, Lucas, this is your room. Come here. I found your room, Lucas. This is your room. Come here.
What the actual hell is that?
What? Lucas, where'd you go? Lucas, come here. Follow me.
Where's the lights?
Lucas.
Oh.
Lucas! Oh,
Hold on!
I need to show you where your room is.
Nathan! Why did you turn it off? Let me turn it off.
There we go.
Get in the house right now.
Lucas, come on. I need to show you your room.
I don't care about the rooms. What matters is that we have somewhere to hide.
No, Lucas. This is your room because it has a computer.
Oh, yeah. Fine. This is my room. You got that guy staring at you?
What?
Oh, I have a guinea pig. Oh, yeah. Huh? What the?
An unsettling elderly man with his face paved in white has been reported swaying back and forth before suddenly chasing people. He moves unpredictably and may follow victims
Nathan,
for
what
extended
happened?
distances. eye contact.
Oh, we can revive each other. We can revive each other.
I'm stuck here. What the heck? Guys, help!
That's why I reset it. I couldn't say it. Guys, come in my room, please. No, I didn't. I want to see Patrick. How'd you see?
Oh, you have to
He's
see.
in my room.
What is happening? What? Wait, Lucas, are you
He's
taking?
podcasting me.
Wait, Lucas, just stay there. You can't take it.
Patrick, Nathan, we're dead.
Lucas, we're
You have
dead.
to revive me.
Lucas,
You have to revive us. No, let's do a different house. Let's do a different house.
No, let's lock it.
No, let's do a different house because this house is hard.
No, this is the easiest one. The other ones are really hard.
No, I want to do a two-story house. Or you guys want to do the office?
No. We're not doing office.
Sunday days?
Yeah, let's just do sunny days.
Where's Nathan?
I see him.
Alright. Alright, let's get... Okay, alright guys, let's get into it.
If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands.
Shit, now we have bigger places to run. And there's a second floor, too.
You can run.
Yes. Gary! I found a house with Gary in it. I found a room with Gary. That's my room.
Who's Gary? Oh, your
This
fish.
is my room. Get out. This is my room. Gary.
Oh, this one has a very nice computer I can use.
Oh, dude, this one doesn't have a place to hide.
If you're happy and you don't know it, shut
You have a
the
library.
If you're
okay,
happy
wait.
and you know it, shut the F up. If you're happy and you know it, shut the F up. If you're happy and you know it and you really want to show. If you're happy and you know it, shut the F up.
What?
Don't ask questions. I already went out there. I got
I
apple.
don't know.
I got apple. What are these buttons for?
There's some music playing. I don't like how it's silent. It's very hot. In this room.
Because we've played this before.
What the? Okay. Why are all the lights off?
The civil authorities have issued a local area emergency. We are receiving reports of a disturbance currently.
Why are all the
This
lights
is my hide spot. Get away. Dude!
As inmate 114. Authorities have not...
This is my hiding spot. Patrick, get out.
No, Luke. No.
Wait, we can hide in different ones. So we can all hide in the same one.
Yeah, Luke. Nathan, come here and hide with us.
Weird. I want to go upstairs.
Oh God, you get kicked out if you don't do the space bar.
Compromise.
You're dead.
Extinguish all lights and hide. Do not attempt to confront the intruder.
Look, I'm dead. But I'm hiding here.
Hi, Nathan.
You have to time it. If you don't time it once, she kicks you out.
I know, it's so weird. I did not like that.
She's looking big. What is it? What's the intruder? It's about this girl with a mask. Thinking person. Oh, shit. It's getting faster. What the hell?
No, please! Well, you have the chance! Oh, God.
Dude, she is ginormous, bro.
Lucas! Lucas.
I'm cooked. I'm cooked. Hide in the closet.
Lucas.
She's coming. Hi.
She spawn camped me. She spawn camped me. That's not fair.
Dude, she is hella fast. She's in my room.
I can't speak to you, Lucas. Please walk in.
Where are you, Patrick?
I died. I got spawn camped.
Here.
Luke,
But you guys don't spectate me?
Nathan, don't revive me. Don't revive me.
Where are you right now?
I'm dead.
Where, though?
On the ground.
And where? The basement?
I don't know. She just kept picking me up and bringing me to places. I don't know.
Lucas, she's in the closet with you. She's not.
No, she is.
Look behind you.
Yeah, he's not. You're not.
Oh, wait, is this a hiding place? Oh, no, it's not. Let me in. Hi.
I think she's
You
stuck.
stuck?
Don't move. Don't go out. Don't.
Hi, ma'am, are you stuck? Lucas, you're not the smartest person, you know that.
Lucas,
Yeah, I know.
don't do mine. Don't do.
I want to go upstairs, ma'am.
No. Lucas.
Wait, Lucas, go in that room. You're stuck. We can move everywhere. Go in the room that's behind her. That's where we are. Are you guys dead? Yeah, go in the room that's behind her. Not that one. The other one.
The one in.
The one that's forward.
No, she's gonna.
No.
Nathan, he can't go over there. She's gonna get unstuck.
I don't care. Still hide. There's a hiding space in there. Like straight towards me? No, straight and then right. Oh, it's D2,
Save us.
Save us, we're in the room over there. Okay.
Yeah. Where's
Where's
Nathan?
Patrick? Where's Nathan? I'm in the room across that I told you.
This one?
Yes. Oh, why are you hunting him?
Okay, because clapping.
She's freaking
He looks
as hell.
good to clap. That's why.
Okay, I'm gonna grab a gun.
Sorry. Sorry. Dying.
How do we gain weapons?
You guys will never find me.
Through the white door.
Guys, can you help me? I'm stuck. There's a what door?
The white door. Yeah, I got a light.
Why would you?
I got a bear trap. Look, this shotgun's $2,000.
Oh, I have enough for it then.
I have an idea. I got a bear trap.
Yeah, I have enough for the shotgun. I don't know what you're talking about.
Alright, guys, careful of the hallway, okay?
What do you mean you don't have enough, Nathan? I have so much money.
When you guys come back, guys, you should come back right now.
The city authorities have issued a local area emergency.
Guys.
We are receiving
I was not done!
Guys, careful. The hallway, there's the bear trap, so I put it down. So if she comes, what if she's gonna step in?
Receiving reports of a disturbance.
You don't know until we try, guys.
Involving the subject designated as is made
Okay, it doesn't work on us.
I got a flashlight.
It doesn't work on us.
Now
Look,
the
it doesn't
great-
work on us.
a name or address
I'm now the great.
as situation develops. We are experiencing signal loss regarding the subject's vitals, and its origin remains a mystery. Witnesses describe a frantic figure moving
think we
through the
should hide
shadows
that.
accompanied by the sound of panic. high-pitched note to locate the source of the anomaly. Explain last door observes sudden electrical instability.
Let's all hide in this room.
Lights and hide. Remain silent and do not attempt to locate the source of the anomaly.
Just let's hide in here together.
Okay, I think the game. Okay, guys, the game is officially starting. Oh my god. Yeah, I'm hiding. Yeah, I'm hiding. I don't like this though. I don't like this. Did you guys see her face after? That was so creepy. So sorry.
Oh, finally!
Guys, we need bear
bear
traps to
trap.
put in front of the door instead.
Yeah, that would be finally stop having fun with me.
Hey yo!
Dude, she was doing that the whole time. I was just standing there. No, she wasn't. She was doing it to Patrick. Patrick liked it.
No, I didn't. That was so weird.
Why did you?
I'm gonna go get an electric fence, guys. Oh, guys, I don't have enough.
Yeah, broke it.
If you want to do either of these, get the flashlights, guys.
During the initial chaos,
Flashlight because I need
Hey,
it.
what does the watch do?
it have been verified to be
Oh, it tells us the time, but that's actually really good.
Oh, finally, we got a bear trap.
Yeah, I put a bear trap by the door. That's what I did.
Alright.
Guys, we have to turn off the lights. That's what it said.
Oh.
Turn off all the lights.
Oh, you gotta talk to someone? I'm on the board. Okay.
The civil authorities have issued a local area emergency. We are receiving reports of a disturbance currently roaming the district involving
swear to
a
God,
subject
if I die again, I'm gonna
designated
get
as
so
inmate
mad.
100.
I had to turn off the lights. That's what the game said to do. So, guys, I have a watch. So, it's 9 p.m. right now.
I see.
Oh, do we all see the time?
Yeah.
Okay, so if I bought it, that means we all see it. Let's go.
I bought it too, so I don't think it looks.
Lucas, can you see the time on the bottom right?
Why did we turn off all the lights? I didn't do that.
Look at me.
What was it?
No, we were told to. That's what the guy said.
Guys, get close to the hide button. So, how's your guys' day been going?
Gary. Nathan.
Oh, hell no! Dude, right when I heard that, it's a nutcracker. It's a nutcracker.
What do you mean it's a nutcracker?
He's tall and he's built like a nutcracker, and he has the nutcracker face.
Why did you not close it? Oh my god! I swear, if he comes out, I'm jumping in. Lucas, this isn't FNAF, bro. Stop.
I'm timing it so much.
Oh, I see. He's stuck again? Do all the monsters just get stuck in this game?
Hi, Patty. Hi. Don't worry, I'll unstuck him.
No, don't, Nathan. I swear to God, if you guys unstuck him.
Don't turn on the lights. Or Lucas, go look at him. Go look at his face. Okay.
No! He's gonna get unstuck. Lucas, do not. Open the door. Get in the alley! Nate? Alright, guys, it's about 3 a.m. in the game now, and this is really freaking boring.
I'm doing anything.
Nathan, don't you... Bro,
Get
don't...
your big butt out of the way. Sorry.
No, Nathan.
Sorry. Sorry. He's stuck. A smooth side birdie. He's unstuck. What?
No, he's not.
He was. He just went in the room.
No, God, what'd you do, guys? You guys had one job. That was not to get him unstuck. No, I'm getting freaking by this.
What are you guys doing in the room? And you did.
It's
Can you see my flashlight?
Hold up. Lucas, sorry, you can't come in. No, not you either.
Guys, he's stuck.
Dang.
Go in the room with him.
What does he look like?
Oh, he left. Because it's day 4. Okay. Yo, sick.
Why'd you guys place the traps like that? That's like so bad. Alright, I'm gonna do the electric because I'm pretty sure that's better.
I'm not gonna buy anything.
Wait, where is it?
Because I really want to get the stun gun.
Wait, how do you do that, Nathan? How do you, like, connect it?
You press one and the other one somewhere else. Turn the light on. We'll have to...
What?
Turn on all the lights.
What the...
Hey, Gary. How are you doing, Gary? Berry.
Gary the Berry.
Berry.
Cheeseberry? Did you just say cheeseberry?
Walnut dairy. Cheeseberry. That is on my dairy. Gluten-free dairy.
Alright, so I got another one because I messed up. How do I do this? Just like this?
Dairy. Berry. Chicken nugget. Chicken nugget. Chicken nugget.
Wait, I actually
Berry.
cooked it. Did I cook with that?
What?
This.
No.
Yes, I did.
La cucaracha berry. Bro, this room is literally the safest. Oh my god. Oh my god.
Why does the lights keep...
It's gonna be fucked, man.
Okay, just don't care about the lights anymore.
Oh my god, this room is so safe. Stop. Oh my god, stop opening the door. Stop opening the door. Oh my god, this
The
is
city authorities have issued a local area emergency.
That's what
We
he
are
told us
receiving
that he...
reports of a disturbance
No, we're not.
currently roaming the district involving
Yes, we
a
are.
subject designated as inmate 845. Authorities
Can you
have
see
not
my
yet
flashlight?
been able to
Oh
provide
my
a
god,
name or a threat class as the situation develops. We are experiencing significant loss regarding the subject's vital. Its origin remains a mystery.
Keep this one on so we can see.
Okay, guys, the game has started. Right. I swear, if this goofy... If this monster gets stuck...
Open door. Hey, stop it! Hey, bro, stop chirping! Stop it! Stop it! That is a scary little one, guys.
I don't like that. Where is he?
Lucas and me are dead. They just think it's
What is that noise?
You guys die, yes, let's go. Oh my god.
I'll just spectate you guys.
Oh my god, your Patrick died. Patrick, did you die right next to us? Oh my god, you're stuck, dude. Hey, potato chip, get off my head. I'm stuck. Hey, potato chip, please fight me right now. Okay, let's leave. Let's just look above you.
Yeah, guys. No! Guys, he spawned.
I'm eating.
He's spawn camping.
Oh my god, I'm very Michitotos. Oh my god, bro! I thought let's go
Nathan, please, whatever you do, lock in.
Oh my god, I'm good at timing and like you. He's ginormous. You can just hide in there, please.
Nathan, you just lost us the run.
I'm glad you, Lucas.
Lucas, run! Wait, run! Oh my god. Okay.
Yeah, I catch up by reviving.
Lucas. No. No, we can talk. Okay. Oh my god. We have to survive an hour. 2 hours, I'm sorry.
So it gets harder every night?
Go away!
Please! Stop guarding!
Oh, Lucas.
Get off my head, get off my
Close
head,
the door.
get off my
Close the
head.
door. Close the door.
Guys. Just both one shot. Get off my head, get off my head, get off my head. Get
Oh my god, I don't like this. Okay. That's everyone.
Is it day 5? Where are you? Move.
Patrick, stop yelling.
Okay.
Where's Patrick? Did we
Oh my
win?
god, you shut up, bro. He used all of our defenses.
Dude, what the hell?
I did not like that, guys. I did not like that.
I did not like that. My god, thing, look at my laser thing, it goes longer. Longer than my pee-pee.
Nathan, stop. Nathan, stop. Nathan, why'd you fail? He can just, Nathan, look at, he can just walk through here and he won't get it.
No, he won't even get in there. Look, look, this is why I do it. Look, look, look. See?
Stupid.
Hey guys, guess what I got?
Oh yeah, I forgot.
Guys, guess what I got? Guys, guess what I got? Look at my hands. Ooh, is that a taser? Yes, it is a taser.
Can you tase me?
I can tase the enemy. Stop shotting the bed trapping, bro.
Stop. Guys, please lock in. I died like 5 times, I swear.
Oh, die again?
Yeah.
I'm dead.
Please lock in, guys.
Closer. If he comes through that door, stun him. Yeah, no, this is good. When he opens the door, hide. Not yet. I'm gonna say surprise. Dude. Don't move. Press the hide button. I want to stun him though. I'm only gonna stun him when I need to. Oh, that's not working, dude. This isn't good. We're good.
Guys, this is the final night.
We are good.
Guys, this is the final night, okay?
If he comes through the door, we are cooked. Oh, Nathan, I think he's stuck. Oh, he's not. He might be stuck. Let me give a small signal.
No, I freaking disconnected. Are we dead ass? Connected, bro. Guys, I disconnected, so if you guys got,
This is your good boy.
guys, if you guys want to see the
This is
rest
your
of
good
it,
boy. Let me give you another smoochie.
guys, if you want to see the rest of it, guys, let me talk.
Smoochie.
Guys, I disconnected, guys, so,